curious and committed young minds. Here it goes. Yeah, it's truly inspiring to be here, amongst many passionate, curious and committed young minds, as I even also saw it on the page. We are gathered for such an important purpose, and that is to understand the AU data policy framework and its role in shaping the future of digital rights across Africa. Let me begin by mentioning two initiatives that is pushing this conversation forward. So first is the Africa Center for Digital Transformation. I think Valarie did a great job by, giving a quick summary. It is an African-led organization, and the idea is to advance policy advocacy, capacity building, and media engagement, among others. So what Valarie is doing really aligns with, in terms of the center and also the Tech Forward Policy Fellowship. It's a 3-month fellowship, so we are in our final month, and this is Valarie's capstone project, as he mentioned. And there are 4 tracks. So we have the AI, cybersecurity, twin transition, and also the digital public infrastructure. All of these things are very important themes on the African continent, and the 20 fellows from across Africa have been exploring it ever since March. Okay. The AU data policy framework is not just a policy document, it's a bold vision for the continent, and it seeks to ensure that data is protected, responsibly used, and governed in a way that empowers rather than exploits. And who better to carry that vision forward than the youth? Because as we may know, Africa is the only continent with the largest youth in the whole world. So it's important that we involve the youth. But why are we having this conversation? Because you are the generation that is most connected, most creative, and most aware of how digital systems impact real world. From raising awareness about data privacy to building civic tech solutions to demanding accountability from both government and platforms, you have the tools, the voice, and the urgency to make things happen. But potential alone isn't enough. This workshop is about building the skills and understanding that would allow you to engage with frameworks like the AU data policy, not just as observers, but also as active contributors. So I challenge you today, not only to learn, but to lead, not only to discuss the policy, but to imagine how we can implement it in our communities, in our schools, tech spaces, and also government. Together, through initiatives like this, and the platform like this workshop, we're able to create a movement, one that says Africa's digital future will be just, inclusive, and led by its youth. Let's make that future real. Thank you very much.